You want to look around?
What?
Oh, the green Civic. And it has someone on there.
But what it has the wrong name?
They're on the... Look. What is that? What's the white one?
Toy bar.
Shop.
Gypsy bar. What? The
Wow.
Corvette. What is that?
You okay? Turbo's big, dude. Whoa. S2K. Look. S2000. Oh, look, GR86s. Is that an Eclipse? Come on.
So Japan, they started to
Let's look at the Mustang. I used to have this.
What the wrong wing looks like that?
That wing looks nice, huh? Carbon fiber trunk.
What is this?
Decal.
Can you come closer to?
Yeah, it's a decal. Oh yeah, don't touch that. You ever seen a car like this? The Elantra N?
What?
Well, a Honda Integra and an Acura Integra. Look at the exhaust. BMWs.
Yeah, W.
Yeah. Here's another row. You want to go check it out? Oh, you like the BRZ? Driver.
Daddy.
Where? What am I looking at?
There's a lot of. Is this your Corvette?
What is it? Mom said I can't speed. Oh, Eclipse.
It's not broken.
Oh, that's your car? Yeah, it's not. I used to have an Eclipse before.
Really?
Yeah, I had to get. Oh, my dad gave it away or sold it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 98. So
Oh man, I think mine was a 03.
oh, okay.
Yeah, it was nice, man. Look, 86. Where you going?
It's because they never sold it in the US because the costs are low.
Where you going? You like this? Huh?
BTS.
Oh my goodness, wanna go check it out?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. Wow, Skyline GTST. Hey, did you see the steering wheel? What happened to the steering wheel? What happened to the steering wheel? You like Corvettes? Look how wide the body is. Oh, is that Celica? Whoa! The black one right there. Secluded. Where are you going? Oh, we saw this in the Delta Shores. Look, all the cool Hondas are here. I don't want to step on that. Oh, whoa. Come on, watch out.
I jumped.
Yes.
People are good at jumping over cuts.
Look at this, baby. Look. Let's hit the wing.
The purple wing.
These are nice wheels, dude.
That's what.
Hmm? Take a picture right here. Which car is your favorite? Oh, you're in that green Civic right there? Look how low it is. Come on. Oh, look, another Type R. FL5.
Can you take a picture?
Sure. Talk about it. Little boy likes Type R's. Subaru.
Did you drive it once to one carmeet years ago? And you were about to act the fool. I saw you waiting to fucking know how to swing, bro. But honestly, all I got hard to do. All I gotta do is.
Civic.
The Civic? What color?
Green.
Oh my goodness, an S2K? What?
Look at it.
Right there. This one.
That one.
Yes. Wow, good job.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
And Tesla.
Have you ever seen a Lancer before? Lancer. Yeah. You want to see a Camaro?
Yeah.
The Nissan Z. Oh, convertible. Oh.
Oh, that's.
Good job.
It's like
What is that?
But honestly, with what's his name? Oh yeah. No, but I'm saying yeah. But at least when we were out of old Speedway, we did not even see it.
Nice 96, dude.